In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Microsoft Word's interface by adjusting the ribbon display options to enhance your productivity and make full use of your screen space. Whether you're drafting a document, editing a report, or simply jotting down notes, optimizing your workspace can make a big difference in maintaining focus and efficiency. Let's walk through this step-by-step process together. First things first, you'll want to open your Microsoft Word file. This is pretty straightforward. Simply launch Microsoft Word and either open a new document or access a document you've been working on. The steps we're about to go through work the same regardless of whether it's a fresh document or an existing one. So, with your document open, let's move on to the next task. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of your Word window. You should see several familiar icons like the minimize, maximize, and close buttons. Right next to these buttons, you'll notice an icon that looks like an upward-facing arrow inside a box. This icon is the ribbon display option. Clicking on this will reveal a menu that gives you different ways to display or hide the ribbon at the top of your screen. The ribbon, as you may know, contains all the tabs and tools you frequently use in Word, such as Home, Insert, Layout, and so forth. Once you've clicked on the ribbon display option, you'll get a menu with several choices. For our purpose today, go ahead and select Auto Hide Ribbon. What this does is put your document into full screen mode by hiding the ribbon and thereby providing you a clean and clutter-free workspace. Your document now takes up the entire screen, allowing you to focus solely on the content without any distractions from the toolbars or command tabs. It's especially helpful when you're doing a read-through or when you're focusing on writing and don't need immediate access to additional tools. Now, if you ever need to bring back the ribbon temporarily, simply hover your mouse at the top of the screen and it will automatically reappear. This feature allows you to access commands quickly without permanently taking up screen space. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully optimized your view in Microsoft Word to better suit your needs. This simple adjustment can make a significant impact on your document editing experience, giving you more room to work without the distraction of unused tools. Remember, if you ever want to switch back, you can always click on the ribbon display option again and choose a different setting. Thanks for watching and happy writing.